Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Fine? Okay, I am also fine. I am also fine and you are also fine. Okay, today we will learn EVS subject. Today we will learn EVS subject. Okay, and in which class you are? You are LKG. In which class you are? You are in LKG. Okay, and today we will learn EVS subject. Okay. Okay, in previous lecture we have learned about rainy season. What we have learned? We have learned about rainy season. Okay, now which season is going on? Rainy season. Which season is going on? Rainy season. Okay, now about rainy season, look here. What we see in rainy season? What we see in rainy season? Tell me. What we see? Cloud. Cloud is there, na? Cloud. What is this? Cloud. And raindrop. Raindrop is coming from the cloud. Raindrop is coming from the cloud. Okay, we have seen what we see. We see cloud, black color cloud, and then rain come and thunder also. Have you seen thunder? Yes, thunder also. We see thunder also. Cloud is there. Then from cloud rain come and thunder. Thunder, you know, it makes so dangerous sound and we get fear of that. Yes, it is thunder. Okay, and what we see here? What we see? Yes, we see rainbow. What we see? We see rainbow. Okay. What we see? We see rainbow. What is this? This is rainbow. What we see? We see rainbow. Okay. We see cloud, water coming from the cloud, rainbow, when sunlight come and rain is also. Both are there. So that time rainbow come in the sky. Rainbow come in the sky. And how many colors does the rainbow have? Rainbow have 7 colors. How many colors rainbow have? Rainbow have 7 colors. Okay. And which animal? Okay. And what we use? What we use in rainy season? What we use in rainy season? Tell me. What we use in rainy season? We use umbrella. What we use? We use umbrella. Do you have umbrella at your home? What we use? We use umbrella. Okay, what we use? We use umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay, this is cloud. Okay, this is rain. And this is thunder. What is this? This is thunder. Okay, umbrella, cloud, rain, thunder, rainbow. What we use? We use umbrella. Then we use raincoat. What we use? We use raincoat. So that we protect us from water, from rain. So that we protect us from rain. What is this? This is raincoat. What is this? This is raincoat. We use umbrella, raincoat, cloud. What we use? In rainy season, what we use to protect us from rain? Whenever we go out, so what we take? We take umbrella, or we wear raincoat, okay, and we wear gumboot also. Gumboot also there, okay, so that our legs remain not become wet, okay. What is this? This is gumboot. Gumboot. This is gumboot. What is this? Gumboot. Okay. What is this? This is gumboot. Okay. These three things we use in rainy season to protect us from rain. Umbrella, raincoat, gumboot. Okay. And from cloud, rain is come, thunder is there, and rainbow. Okay. Now what do children like to play in rainy season? They like to play in water. They like to jump in water. Yes. Do you like to go in the rain and you have gone to play? Do you like to play in the rain? Yes. Okay. And what do? You make boat of paper. You make boats of paper. You make boats of paper. Yes. And float on the water gathered on the ground. Okay. What you do? We make boats. We make boats of paper and float on the water on the ground. So children likes to play in rainy season. What children like to play in rainy season? Yes. What we use? We use raincoat, gumboot, umbrella. Okay. And what is this? This is cloud, rainbow, boat. Okay. From cloud, rain is coming. Okay. And after that, what we eat in rainy season? Which fruit is there in rainy season? Okay. Which fruit? Have you seen? What is this? This is corn. What is this? This is corn. You like to eat corn? Yes, it is yellow in color. Okay, corn. This is corn. In rainy season, most of this fruit is corn. Okay, this is corn. What is this? This is corn. This is corn. Okay. Okay. We have seen many things in rainy season. Okay. We have seen clouds. Black color cloud is there. Rain come from the cloud, and thunder. It makes sound, and we scare and we fear of that sound. Then rainbow. We see rainbow in rainy season. Okay. We use raincoat, umbrella, gumboot to protect us from rain. Whenever we go outside, we wear raincoat or take umbrella. Okay. Then children like to play in water. They like to jump and dance in water. Children make boat of paper and float on the water and sail on the water of the ground. Corn is the fruit which come in the market and we all like to eat. And which animal we see? Which animal we see there? We see frog. Which animal we see? We see frog. Okay. Which animal we see? We see frog. We see frog. Okay. In rainy season, which animal we see? We see frog. We see frog. Okay. Okay. Today we will do one activity. What we will do? We will do one activity. This is corn. What is this? This is corn. So you also make at home. Okay. This is corn. This is not completed. What first I have drawn the picture of corn. Okay. First you have to draw picture of corn. Take a paper, plain paper. Draw the picture of corn and this is cover of corn. So you have to color the corn with green color. What you have to do? You have to color the corn with green color. You have seen the color. You have seen the color of corn. The cover of corn. It is green in color. Yes. Okay. So we have done. We have colored the cover of corn with green color. Now what you have to take? Glue stick. Now you have to take glue stick. Okay. Now you have to in the between we have, what is this? This is, what is this? This is pulse. Which pulse is this? Pigeon P. This is pulse. This is pulse. What is this? This is pulse. Okay. In Hindi we call tur dal. Okay. In Hindi we call tur dal. It is pigeon P. The name of this pulse is pigeon P. The name of this pulse is pigeon P. What we will do? We will take the glue and put all over between the corn. Okay, what we will do? We will keep the glue all over the corn and then we take this pulse. We take this pulse and stick over it. What we will do? Stick over it. Okay. You have to stick the pulse. Okay. You have to stick the pulse like this. Okay. You have to don't do alone. You have to do with your parents. What you have to do? You have to stick. On the glue you have to stick this pulse. Okay. On the glue you have to stick the pulse. What you have to do? You have to stick the pulse. Okay. All over the corn. And you have to do outline also. So that it look like a corn. Okay, look here. You are looking now. You are looking at here. You have to stick. You have to stick the pulse over here. Okay. What you have to do? You have to stick the pulse. Okay. It is we eat this only we eat corn only in rainy season. We get corn. We have to bake the corn, and most items were made of corn. Okay, and more items were made of corn. Okay, look here. Look here. Are you able to see? We have made the corn with the help of pearls. With the help of pearls, we have made the corn. What we have done? We have stick the corn. First we have draw the corn on the paper. Then we have colored the cover of the corn. Then we have stick the pearls between that. It's looking like corn. It's looking like corn. Okay. So you also try at your home. Okay. You also try at your home. What we have made? We have made corn with the help of pearls. With the help of pearls. What is the name of pearls? Pigeon pea. Pigeon pea. The name of pearls is pigeon pea. Okay. So try at your home. Okay. Bye and have a nice day. Try at your home. Okay. Have a good day.